fight. Yes, I'm with a one city found. Yes, so sorry, let them move and go because them are evil. And them are bad my money. From if you guys are leave them a stop guy.
In a quarter mile, slight right.
Stop watch me guys. Stop watch me pose and me rasta my style. Stop watch me nose. Stop watch me fight. And let go with your hypocrite smile. We don't know the movies who don't like me. See them all hype up, but that still not strike me. But we are not gonna touch you, loving away hard.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Carla. Alright, slow down. Cabins. Exit. Cabins.
Let me get this on the video, please.
So that one is Maurice. Villa. Wait. Shelby. Is that pronounced?
Shelby.
Shelby? Yeah. Lorraine. Rose. All Rose. Church party. Alright, the church party now. So.
Wait, oh, okay. So,
So.
Wait. Let me check the map first. Just to make sure, but I think that's what we need to do. Church path.
So we're nearby them over there, so this is a little the birthday kind of different. So just checking on a spot, like a cabin, camping, car full of stuff. Next year I have to get a van and big truck. Mom's in a car, easy herself. So, I don't know how it's gonna work, you know. No, it's like a river down there, a stream down there.
Oh, that's so nice! I'm just hearing this noise like love.
River down there. Why not this? Wow, we got stacks of woods.
Stacks of
Woods. Wifey woods, but you know we go. We have one neighbor there, so.
kitchen.
And we can see outside, watch your bed. You look at Jeepers Creepers, nigga, them a go, you know you look at them in a Jeepers Creepers? Them a go them a go come people. I have to back in, you know, so I don't want to have to kill somebody in a foreign tonight. Because then I know some I carry me and I conceal for me. Yeah. So foreign this, you know, we don't have to show it. But we have it.
It gets cold after you get shit. In that box.
What's
Let me
that?
come with you. Let's go figure out what's up.
You ready?
Let me put on my shoes. Oh, you have on your shoes? Let me put on your boots. What's that? Oh. You need your boots? Can you wear your sneakers to the campfire?
Yeah, thank God I black one, it's easy to wipe up, so that's fine.
What did you just press?
You put on the left one on the right one.
No, I didn't. Alright, we're officially campers. We're glampers.
Huh?
Glampers. This is glamping. Glam. Camping.
Alright. How about no armor?
Why you taking off your clothes? You just going out there and that alone?
No, I put that one like that.
Okay. Campers unite.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm not too afraid I call it, but are you me scared for?
No, I brought my things. Where's my hat? Where's my hat? That's not my hat. Oh, hang it up. I might. Your car key in your pocket?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you need, like lighter fluid?
What up?
I see wood.
Alright, so we are gonna catch some fire now. You can hear me? I'm about to relax in the front yard, eh? I don't want them to catch you fire.
Did the people tell you to push no paper? That goes in your foot? Killing dried campfire wood. There's no instruction.
You want instructions to catch on fire? Alright. What that just say? You find some paper.
What if we need that for the dinner?
One lunchbox.
I don't think we need that thing. I don't think we need it. We don't need it.
Yeah, let's hurry up right now.
Okay.
If this burn out and if I not catch me, no problem. I use everything, all the bag will come in.
I don't think that's safe.
But we're not going to put this nothing on it until it blaze and I catch real fire. I will have to put that aside first.
Where's that smoke coming from? That's in my mouth?
What?
You don't see smoke? Is that from my mouth? Or... No.
When the fire start blazing, I will get
Oh, it started already? Man. Good thing not touching it, it makes fire. You did that quick.
Real big man I catch fire here. You see what you're talking about? You want to smoke now?
What's making the smoke? The paper?
Yeah.
We don't want smoke.
It soon burn out.
Use that plastic. Don't use the plastic.
No, it will plastic. Fire will not get you no problem. That's okay. We're in the wood. In the forest. Foresty. You hear that?
Boy. I think the people wanted all this smoke.
What? Smoke soon burn out. Hold on.
My hair is flammable. I can't come to smoke.
Yeah, we go cover. The smoke soon gone, man. You catch now, you know?
Hello?
At least your phone at work.
Yeah, my phone is working. On what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So,
Oh my God. Baby, I'm in the
this,
woods right now.
that
We
is
just built
the
a fire.
storeroom. That's the RV.
Yeah. I'm at Getaway. Where are you? You have an iPhone, right? You want to FaceTime me so you can see my fire? Well, I'm a fire. I didn't do anything. I actually did nothing. I did nothing.
Hi.
I know. It happened so fast.
Where the food? The fire go burn.
Oh, I gotta get the food.
So
Yes, I do.
we run go up in the light the fire now. The food not ready, fire go burn out. My God.
Oh shit, I left this thing on. Oh no, it wasn't on. Damn, I need something to ice this up. Okay. Here, come, we can this. Where's my phone? Well, we got more wood. It's not gonna outlast. We did. Next time we talk to the events, okay? Tonight on the menu. I'm just looking at it real quick because I had it. Oh, I need more foil. Yeah, I need to get more foil.
For what?
It's dripping out already.
What is this, fish?
Fish.
You can put,
I'm just looking at this. Damn. There was one thing I meant to put on it.
you can't go in the same way, you know.
There it is.
Nice. I lock it up. I'll just drop it on it.
I know.
Wait a little bit. Somebody fire burn out.
Okay. Good. I need to do something with it anyway. Let me go do that. Come back. Oh. BRB! You can start it, baby.
Alright. So,
You got a rug?
carry up my stuff a little bit more. Hold on, put this over here, so. Right spot. See that? Them dead. Die off them seat, yeah?
Turn it upside down first.
What?
Then let the water fall off. Damn! It's smoking. glad you brought your boots because my boots were going to make you do it.
Live some of them life here sometime, you know? Back to the nature. Back to nature. Good old days. Our mother teach you and grow you up. You know? Good old scrub floor with coconut brush. And genie floor polish. And we depend we need a rub floor a Sunday daytime. And clean down furniture. So we grew up in the 90s. Do you remember genie floor polish? Oh. Alright, I go for some liquor, you know. One will have vibes out here, kind of. Feel the vibes, feel the radio.
Oh no, my phone is recording.
Outside in the wilderness. I put this around my neck. I think we're too close to it. You don't want too much eat. Can't eat, you make you sleep. Alright. Turn them. Now we get this steak.
But you know, when I was cooking, because I was going to bring steak too, but I remember you said you don't like steak.
The big thing could I just see.
You said you don't like steak.
Alright. We're outside.
But you know what we do have?
But we have pork. So right now for your waist, we should have 1 million type of meat on it. Jerk chicken. What do you mean?
S'mores!
Marshmallows?
Yeah.
Wow.
S'mores!
So it's officially my birthday from yesterday, so
It's not even on the phone.
take some days off work. So I'm here with the wifey, the baby, the moonlight, the snow, the sunshine. We're here outside in the forest, camping ground. We're camping. Basically, we have dinner on. So we have roast fish with crackers, going with corn and potato. Now we're drinking Hennessy. She's not. She's going virgin.
Yeah.
And we have some roast red fruits. She said imported from Jamaica. It's
Imported.
From Jamaica. Dead. And we have some marshmallows without. Where's the stick?
It's there.
Okay. So here goes.
Alright. So, should I just put this on foil too? Baby, you want to use the thing? The tongue?
Tongue ring?
Yeah.
I don't want to fish one too much high fire. Sing no Dexter! Nagati. Dinner over here, so. When I live in the New England area, you have to live some different lifestyle. Alright. Sing no Dexter. Sing no Dexter, baby. Your love is like tequila. Slow motion. Baby, your love is like tequila. Intoxicating. I wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you. Picture wine, you know.
Candlelight and red wine petals on the bed. Baby, give me love, it make me nearly lose my head. I love it when my baby ride it like a thoroughbred and slow it down and bubble like slow motion. Baby, your loving gives me fever. You know my feeling. I wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you. Slow motion.
¿Dónde? ¿Dónde ella? ¡Wow! ¡Dama bro! Slow motion.
Baby, your loving gives me fever. You make me feel like I wanna love you, wanna love you, wanna love you all night. Slow motion.
Dinner time. So, remember say I'm a chef.
What?
So, remember say I'm a chef.
What?
So, me catch up the fire. As you can see in the video there, me catch up the fire.
And what else?
Me put it on, me cook it. The outside cool, so she free the outside, so she have to stay inside. So tomorrow we have steak for
What did
breakfast.
I do? What did I do?
Eh? Seasoned up, stuffy fish them. Sorry, white fish, stuffy swim around them. And they have roast breadfruit though. Here things are going away, so clear things. They into liquor. Take on big fat can, you see? Cheese and pity. That's a big head. The bushy girlfriend get her hand black. Oh my god.
Shut up.
Oh my goodness. I look at one bottle of Magnum and still. Ready?
Come on, baby, turn the other way. Turn the other way.
Come on, baby.
Turn the other way. But, baby. Come on, baby, Tony on the
This is the whole
she fuck me on a gear. It's a rap.
Thank you.
Let's eat.
Tony had a Tony had a way. And me do it, yeah?
Use the, oh no, just use the, don't cut off the nail. This is what people do outside by the fire.
Too cool.
I thought it was gonna be cold, man. I didn't think I was gonna go outside.
You know that bad. It's bad when night come down, it's bad.
Yeah, but it wasn't. I was fine.
In the low it's bad.
This boring.
We don't have TV.
We don't need TV.
We can't watch none out the door. It just we want to watch TV
No, we
and
don't.
YouTube.
You're not tired of watching that
And my
same
laptop,
YouTube?
I'm going
We're not
to
gonna
share my
watch
hotspot to my laptop. What do you think? Camera?
No, I don't want to watch the same.
We can watch
vlogs.
a movie.
You want to watch the same
We can watch a movie
vlogs
on
all
Netflix.
day. Fine.
You want to watch a movie?
Yeah.
Just have it.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have all the games. Don't worry about it. Remember, we're not regular now. We're not regular. No, we're not regular. Hey!
Shit. I think I just drop asleep or something.
Yeah, frame me so.
Because I thought it was going down.
See how I can understand. Now look at this nice. This have a buzz.
Oh, I'm trying to warm up my chocolate.
This is delicious, boy.
That was sweet.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm drinking my water.
Sweet. I feel like work out tomorrow.
I don't want no more.
I chocolate make it sweet.
Mm-hmm.
When you have a good chocolate.
Everything.
The biscuit sweet.
The marshmallow is just sugar.
Where's 6 water then they say take up? 5 minutes, you know. Lifesaver.
Chip on pad.
Ready,
What
ready.
you say, pre today?
Hey, Russian!
Porsche 911, play with that. Versace jeans with the chip rock.
My boy shot first when I get back. 762 56 flop.
Come again.
White like Tic Tac. Every killer with me pongo.
Nobody can cross when I tick tock toe.
Nobody can cross me no tic-tac-toe. Got the side of my Benz. Me not really beg no
Nobody
friends.
can win.
Straight out the air for the lens. Be a new girl I get bent.
Sing again.
Black the side of my bangs. Me no really beg no friends. Straight got the air.
Nobody don't win.
Think I need to
Where?
right there. I win.
She said she can't dance.
Now let the classic. Now let me sit front right there, yeah?
She love the body, she know when I'm goofy. The mouth I carry that I shine on the jewelry. Me live a rich lifestyle, I'm just too casual.
You go first.
Don't girl, she just
Every
too
time we
far.
keep talking.
Me not really beg new friends. Straight out the air for the lens. Be a new girl I get bent.
Drop on the ends. Tilt up that black ends. Versace custom lens. Things I need in a friend.
10 million on the neck now. We are gonna rock and wait.
10 million per minute, dog.
I'm gonna win again.
You think so? Alright. Win, let me see.
Me and my
Win,
friend
win,
gonna take
win.
this. New AP on my left
Show me.
wrist. I still straight jeans with a G-Shock. And we all at the place with the G-Lock.
Jesus, please, for my pendant. Me a fuck them girl for your 10 grand. Push out the Porsche car and the Benz van. Pass them a blood clot road like Exxon. You wanna play again?
Yeah.
Got the side of my Benz.
Yeah.
We don't really beg no
I love it, me love it. When you ride me, set it up now. Come, girl. Take your time when you got it hard. See the bunny, no girl, you got it off in hard. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. I never say good at me one for fuck.
Sticky now.
Nobody good at us, I love you. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. Fuck it up with me clip on your top. Sexy and blood clot strip for me slaw. Wind up your hip, ride the dick for me saw. Put it on the cocky pose, double six damn me now. And you know fi bubble on the stick for me now. Quint up your pussy muscle grip for me now. Your body pretty like a Hispanic dog. Do this for me now, go twist for me frog. Take your time when you got it hard. See the bunny, no girl, you got it off in hard. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. Girl, I pussy good and me run fi fuck you. Nobody good and that's why me love you.
Sit down, bunny Jackie.
See the bunny cocky. Sit down, bunny. Sit down. Your body no dead like dung a mad dog, girl. Sit down. When you Jackie the inna this saddle, girl. Sit down. Sit out like sand and let you gravel. Although you're pretty, you no time for your model. So sit down. Dash down your weight, bunny. Chop on the ground, skin split, you look here. Sit down. All when the ride get tough. Bad girl, me why you me like them rough. Just take your time, bunny, got it hard. See the bunny, no girl, you got it off in hard. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. See the bunny, see the bunny, see the bunny cocky. I am a say good and me one for fuck you. Nobody good and that's why me love you. See the bunny.
You want pick now.
Oh yeah. Connect you them to really want you about you mean. The system don't have a much opportunity. Don't flew from out I start by story. Can't wonder what.
The other day some boy this me want box me but he miss me. Want take me little catty purse. Oh Lord God me wish me that I should finish me. In a pump and fi make it curse. One of them try fish me, that trip fish me. Look like them already dance. Now the boy them get tipsy, go straight like gypsy. When they go up them on me turn.
One hand.
Above the tree start ratchet. If you see from my bicycle sprocket.
Nicky.
One hand. You cannot use both hands.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm up on TikTok, you know.
One hand.
Because how we move them to come out,
One
we can't take them out.
hand.
Alright, then we pass then.
You can't pass.
Then how it go? Come on.
With one hand. Come on. Don't move the foot.
What's down?
Yeah, that's the challenge. One hand at a time.
This don't make no sense. And you can't, it don't make no sense.
Focus.
You give me best song them Friday.
Focus.
alert and you can't dash it. Woman with enough to flirt and you can't match it.
Man, use it. You use it every finger. No!
Let me drop it up, because I don't want this drop. The whole concept is to pull out as much, right?
The concept is to get one person to drop the whole tower. It's not, this is not arts and crafts.
Rise and shine.
You stop.
It's like a look different.
The breadfruit is over there too. I was gonna fry a piece and I was like, hurry up.
Carry them go on. Bread. Yeah, me did feel afraid last night, you know. Afraid. Me just, my mind, I said, we're out in the wilderness. And outside dark, we're in the middle of nowhere. You know me have to put in the wrong turn people every night.
Honest, I was too tired to even think about being afraid. Look, when my head hit that pillow, I didn't know where I was. I just went to sleep.
Knockout.
I was tired. I still got so much activity left.
Oh yeah, so we go down at the river.
We could go. We just have to be out of this by 1:30. Because I gotta put a
What
code
time
on
now?
the door. I don't know. I gotta put a code on the door that said we check out. But we could walk wherever. You see, they didn't have no staff to even check us in.
What time is it?
1:30.
I 1 o'clock now.
You know you asked me that like 16 times today?
My brain. Not absorb it. But now we wait. I reach the time.
Okay. Is this your first camping experience? This is not really camping, but you know, glamping.
Yeah.
So after sleeping in a nice trailer cabin for camping, do you think you could go back to the camping outside on the in a tent?
Summertime.
You want to sleep on the ground in a tent? Nah, you on your own. I
That
can't
seems
go
fun.
back. That don't seem fun to me.
In the summer, the more wildlife out, you know. Because it's warm.
Yeah, why would I want to be out there with them?
Because I get good tent. Yeah, I just hear them come around the tent like this.
Oh no.
What's that? Raccoon them all of the liquor.
Oh no.
The skunk them will love come out at night time.
I don't need that experience. You know, see, this breakfast is everything that was out yesterday. Your whole charcuterie board. All the meats, the turkey, everything. This is real camping, nothing wasting. And that was never on. Did I even get any? After doing this whole video of cooking, did I get any video of? Because these clips are getting too long. It's gonna be longer for me to edit.
My video late. Sure. I'm gonna make a bite already, so
Oh, yeah, another video.